Okay, now we see in the quadratic equations, but today we're gonna continue to find the new one is discriminant. Okay, discriminant. What the meaning? Discriminant is kind of the value of when we calculate and we get a value, we will know the real solution. That means find out the x-intercept. Okay, or find the domain. If they come out become positive, like this one, question one here, it become positive, this one. So this gonna have two x-intercept. So x-intercept mean like I have two domains, okay? And second one, if you discriminant, you can find out equal to 0, then you're gonna have only one x-intercept. And if you have negative, right, you have no x-intercept. So this is only three cases when you use the discriminant. Then we come back to the original, go back to the original general form of the quadratic equation. Is this one, right? We have ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, this one equal to y, correct? This is a quadratic equations formula. Okay, so discriminant we will get from where when you use this formula, right? When the quadratic equation, you want to find x-intercept. You have three ways to find, right? First one by factorization. Second one is what? By using computing the square. And the last one, if you cannot factor, cannot do anything, then you use formula, right? So the formula, I think you know already, is what? X equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so then in this case, this is a b square, right? So this is a discriminant. So you see this part is same as this one or not? It's same as the inside here, right? It's a discriminant. This one's a b squared minus 4ac. So the discriminant formula is get from here, from the formula of the when you find the value of x. Okay, so then we know now this one equal to discriminant. Three example exactly for each one here. Okay, for explain for 1, 2, 3 here. See the first one, when the discriminant become positive, means have two distinct real solution, and its the graph have two x-intercept. That's the meaning. So how to look like? Then we take a look. The first question, negative x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so then you use this formula, right? So from this one, I write down here, b squared, this is a discriminant, right? B squared minus 4ac. For the solution number one, you find out first b equal to, you see from here, equal to negative 4, right? This is a, this is a b, and this is a c. So b negative 4, you have to carry negative sign also. So b equal to negative 4. And then next a equal to here, the coefficient of in front of x squared is a negative 5. So you write down negative 5. Okay, and c is a constant, so this one plus 1. So you write that equal to 1. After this one, right, you replace in the formula discriminant. This is a discriminant formula, okay? Discriminant. Okay, so discriminants will replace in there. Replace in the formula. So b is a negative 4, so become negative 4 power 2 minus 4 a here, right? A is negative what? A is a negative 5, okay? So A is a negative 5, and C is a 1. Okay, here C is plus 1. So you replace it, and then you simplify. Okay, so what we have, this one become plus 16, right? Because even index. Minus times minus become plus, 4 times 5 become 20, 4 times 5 times 1 become plus 20. So what we have here become 36, right? 20, yeah, we have 36. 20 plus 16, 36. Okay, so now you see, you observe right now, we got 36 is a plus sign, correct? We have plus 36, correct? So that means this one is a positive sign, correct? So this is exactly same as this one, number one. So because we find out discriminant equal to 36, which is a positive. See, because it's a plus 36, it's a positive. So in this case, that means we're gonna have the real solution for the x or x-intercept. We have 2 points. Okay. So this one only find the discriminant. So if you want to find where the x-intercept is, you have to get this, the question, this one gonna, in general, this one gonna give you equal to y. At the same time, this one equal to y. Okay. Then you can find x-intercept, y-intercept. But in this case, I don't want to go that one yet. Okay, so then you just know how to find discriminant first. So this one go according first one here now. So you're gonna have 2 x-intercept. 2 x-intercept or to dominant. Domain. 2 x-intercept a domain. Okay, what I'm saying, if you want to find where is the 2 x-intercept, you have to get this one equal to 0, right? X-intercept, you remember how to get x-intercept y equals to 0, correct? So you list already y equal to 0, so you solve for x. So that means you just factor it, right, from here. From this one, you just factor it. Factor and get value of x, right? Like you do from the previous homework. That's all. If you cannot factor, use computing square. If otherwise, you use formula, this one, like this formula here. Okay, I leave this one. Okay, because right now I want you to learn how to find discriminant first. So then we know now this one is a positive because it's a plus. Go according number one. Now we go the question number 2 here. Now 2 here, okay? Now number 2. See, we use the formula discriminant again. We always do this one, okay? This right now we practice this one first. So we get this one. So from this question 2, you find out what b equal to, what the value b. B is a -4 right here. -4 here. Okay, this one -4. So you like b equal to -4. A equal to, in front of x squared is a 1 right here, is a 1. So you like 1. C is this one constant plus 4, so you like 4. Okay, after that you find discriminant. Equal to, use this formula again, right? Okay, like that, b squared minus 4ac. So you replace b is -4. Minus 4, a is 1. C is a 4. So come out, this one become 16 minus 16. So equal to 0. Okay, so now you see this one equal to 0. What we have exactly equal to this second one, because equal to 0, you see that. From then this question, the discriminant equal to 0, then we know the coordinate equation gonna have one repeating real number, and that means have one x-intercept. What the meanings, like when you plot graph is only one x-intercept, but actually they have 2 value of x-intercept, but they have the same value. What the meanings here? So if I set this one equal to y, right? For example, this one equal to y. So you factor it, correct? So like this one, x squared minus 4x. Get the equation down here, okay? And then plus 4. Then equal to 0, right? Because you want to find x-intercept. Find x-intercept. Don't forget, find x-intercept. X-intercept, that means y becomes 0, right? X-intercept, y equal to 0. So I have here y becomes 0. So then you factor it, right? If you can factor, go ahead. Otherwise, use formula. So x become here, 2 here. Okay, and then this one gonna be minus equal to 0. So you see x minus 2, we have two equations, x minus 2 equal to 0, one equation. And this one also x equal to x minus 2 equal to 0. So this one x equal to 2, x equal to 2. You see that? So they are same value of x, right? That means they have only one x-intercept because they will meet at the same point, but they have 2 points or 2 x-intercept, but they are the same. That's why they say one repeating real solution. Okay, like when you plot graph like this way, if you plot graph into dimension, x equal to 2, right? So 2 of them gonna be about here. For example, 1 here, 2 here. So x-intercept gonna be here, both of them at the same point. So they have 2 answers, but they met at the same point. Okay. So in this, the first one, this one, they have 2 x-intercept, not the same. Okay. For the first one, to intercept mean, for example, we have to find, we have to factor this one, right? So that x gonna be like this, 2 point. Okay, if you put on the number line, but this only 1 point. This gonna have two answer for the first one. Once your determinant become positive. Okay, 36 is positive, right? Because plus. Okay, now go the last one with 3. Okay, so do the same way. We want to find discriminant of this equation. So 3, I rewrite here, okay? So we have 4 over 7 x squared minus 8x plus 28 equal to 0. So this, you have to factor it or use computing square or use formula. But this is the easy way how to do. Better eliminate the denominator number 7 first, right? So times 7 to every term. So times 7 to every term for both sides. So 7 times this term, 7 cuts, so we have 4, right? So 4x squared. Minus 7 times 8 become 56. 56x plus 28. 28 times 7, right? We're gonna have 196 equal to 0. Okay, then you can factor it. Okay, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4. So after this, you can factor it. But we don't want to find x yet, but right now we want to find this determinants, right? I mean this discriminant. So then this one gonna be discriminant. So you use formula, right? Same thing, so do the same way. Discriminant equal to, so use the same formula here, okay? Same thing. So right now we write down this one b equal to what? B mean this one, right? Negative 56. Negative 56. Carry the negative sign also, don't forget. And a is what? A is for the x power 2, right? This one a. So a equal to 4. C mean constant, so the last term here. So equal to plus, right? 196. The plus we don't need to write down. But if negative, you have to, okay? This one 4. Okay, now you replace in the formula, this one. Okay, I write down b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so discriminant equal to b is minus 56 power 2 minus 4. A is 4, right? And then C is a 196. Oh, this one really large number. So then you can have negative 56 times power 2, right? Because this is an even index, so come out with a plus sign. So 56 times 56, we're gonna have what? 3136. Okay, and then this one 4 times 196, so come out become minus. So what we have 4 times, so you can do calculation, right? Use your calculator. So 4 times 4, right? And time 196, come out 3136. Oh, this one's the same again. So this one becomes 0. So in this case, the same thing is equal to 0, right? This question. So this one become same with the condition 2 because this is 0. So have only one x-intercept. But another meaning is they have one repeated real solution. Okay, so this is the same thing. Right now we try to see number 3 here, how it look like for the negative. Then we try this one, right? Discriminants, right? From this one again, you find b equal to negative 4, right? This one negative 4 here, negative 4. Okay, this is a negative 4, this is a b. And then a is a equal to 1, right? The font plus 1. And then c equal to 5, c equal to 5. Now you replace in the formula discriminant b squared minus 4ac, right? So now you see this. B is negative 4, write down negative 4 power 2, right? Minus 4, A is a 1, C is a 5, right? So now simplify, this one become 4, 16 plus minus 20. So now this one become negative 4. Now you see this. Right now this example is come with a negative sign, okay? It's a negative 4. So then this one match to this number 3 here. Okay, because this will become negative. So then this one means no x-intercept or no real root, no real solution. What the meanings for this? Because when, for example, when you plot graph, if you find this discriminant come up become negative number, negative sign, right? So that means no x-intercept. That means no matter you plot graph, for example, assume you plot graph in here, the parabola graph going to be above x-axis. Just say that. They won't make the x-intercept. Can be open up, open down, depend. But in this case, we can observe, right? Because this one x power 2 in front here, the coefficient here in front is a 1, right? And the 1 is a plus sign. So the graph should be open up, but no x-intercept. So it should be this picture, not down here. Okay, we can see when it's a open up, open down. Okay, that one maybe I'll tell you next class. But in this case, you learn how to find discriminant first. Now, these are 3 cases. Okay, positive, 0, or negative. And get now, for this one is this example. Okay, leave it, and then you can practice to find discriminant first. And you can, about 4 or 5 questions, check in your GC, okay? Okay, bye-bye. See you next class.